Reproduction in organisms. Reproduction is defined as a biological process in which an organism gives rise to young ones or offsprings similar to itself. The offsprings grow, mature, and in turn produce the new offsprings. Reproduction enables the continuity of the species generation after generation. There is a large diversity in the biological world, and each organism has evolved its own mechanism to multiply and produce offsprings. The organism's habitat, its internal physiology, and other factors also collectively are responsible for determining how the organism reproduces. Based on whether there is a participation of one organism or two organisms in the process of reproduction, it is classified as two types: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, when offsprings are produced by a single parent with or without the involvement of gamete formation, the reproduction is called asexual reproduction. When two parents of opposite sex participate in the reproductive process, and it also involves the fusion of male and female gametes, the process is called as sexual reproduction. Amoeba reproduces by binary fission. This is an asexual mode of reproduction. A parent cell divides and gives rise to two daughter cells, which further divides and give rise to the daughter cells. Asexual reproduction. Budding in yeast is also an example of asexual reproduction. During asexual reproduction, single parent is capable of producing offsprings. As a result, the offspring that are produced are not only identical to one another, but also they are the exact copies of their parent. The term clone is used to describe morphologically and genetically similar organisms. In Protists and Monerans, the parent cell divides by mitosis into two to give rise to new individuals. Therefore, cell division is itself a mode of reproduction in such organisms. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell notifications to get the regular updates. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. Thank you.